Hello, good evening everyone. So, I am making a video for how to blink LED using IoT. So, first of all, we have to install Blink app in mobile. So, you have to click on this Blink app. As I installed this app already, so I am opening this. So, first you have to sign up using your email ID. So I am logging here. My email ID is isiotparatwada@gmail.com. Write your password here and login. So I already made one app here. So right now I am creating a new project. So create, type project name here. As my project name I will type LED. Choose your board. As we are using this Node MCU, so we have to select board on Node MCU. Okay, we are using Wi-Fi, so Wi-Fi's connection type is Wi-Fi. So type create here. As you are seeing here, authorization token was sent to your email ID. So I got a authorization token on my mail ID. This authorization token you have to put it on your program. So where you will get your program, as we already installed Blink on your Arduino IDE. So we will go to example option. From example we will go to Blink option. So after Blink we will go to board's Wi-Fi, because our connection type is Wi-Fi, and here your next Node MCU. So this is our program. So here authorization token, SSID and password are written. So we have to write our authorization token here, that I got on our mail ID. Our Wi-Fi or hotspot's name, as my hotspot name Wi-Fi name is PCN Internet, and that password is radhaswamy@11. Next we have to upload this program at our Node MCU. So as I am uploading this, if there will be a no error, it will directly upload to our Node MCU board. Here is our serial port. So after uploading, we'll check our internet connection on serial port. So as our program is already uploaded, we will go to serial port option. So here if our SSID and password are okay, so it will directly show connecting to Blink Cloud. So we have to add some buttons. So we have to click this plus sign, sorry, not this plus sign. We have to touch this plus button, not that one. So as you see, we have button, slide, vertical slider, timer, value display function, label value. Each function has different kind of energies. So right now what we want a single button. We will click on this button. As you see, we will got a button. Click on it. You have to put name here, as we are working on LED. So my name is LED. Choose a pin number. So my pin number is See here, three options are there: digital, analog and virtual. So we are using LED, inbuilt LED. This inbuilt LED it is connected on pin number D0 to node MCU. So pin number is digital and D0. Click on OK. Next, so if your node MCU is connected to your Blink app, this board option will be okay. If the node MCU is not connected here, so it will show some red mark. So my inbuilt LED is already connected. So see, so I am turning it on. So LED is on, off, on, off. Hope you understood this process. If you have any question, please ask me in tomorrow's class.